Welcome back to our channel. We've scoured the globe and compiled the ultimate collection of the top 25 best hotels according to travelers. So, without further ado, let's dive into the countdown. Number 25. Belmond Hotel Caruso Ravello, Italy. Kicking off our list is the Belmond Hotel Caruso, which has mesmerized travelers with its unparalleled beauty, luxurious accommodations, and unmatched hospitality. Perched high on a cliff, the hotel offers breathtaking panoramic views of the Amalfi Coast and the azure waters of the Tyrrhenian Sea, creating a truly enchanting setting. The accommodations blend historic charm with modern amenities, featuring exquisite furnishings, luxurious linens, and spacious marble bathrooms. The staff is known for their attention to detail and their willingness to go above and beyond to ensure a memorable stay. Whether enjoying a romantic dinner on the terrace or sipping cocktails at the poolside bar, guests are treated to a culinary journey that delights the senses. Number 24. The Lowell, New York City, New York, USA. Next on our list is the Lowell, which has earned high praise from travelers for its timeless elegance, personalized service, and prime location on Manhattan's Upper East Side. Travelers have been captivated by the hotel's spacious and tastefully designed rooms and suites. The accommodations boast a classic and sophisticated ambience, featuring luxurious furnishings, plush bedding, and marble bathrooms. Lowell's exceptional service is consistently lauded by travelers. From the moment of arrival, guests are welcomed by a dedicated staff that caters to their every need. Whether it's arranging restaurant reservations, providing insider tips on exploring the city, or delivering personalized services in-room, the staff goes above and beyond to ensure a memorable and comfortable stay. Number 23. The Lodge at Sea Island, St. Simons Island, Georgia, USA. The Lodge has received high praise from travelers for its exquisite charm, world-class amenities, and impeccable service. Situated amidst the island's lush natural beauty, the hotel offers a serene and exclusive retreat for those seeking relaxation and indulgence. Travelers have been enchanted by the hotel's elegant and tastefully designed rooms and suites. The accommodations exude a warm and inviting atmosphere, featuring luxurious furnishings, cozy fireplaces, and spacious balconies or patios that offer breathtaking views of the surrounding landscape. Guests appreciate the attention to detail and the comfortable amenities that create a truly luxurious and comfortable stay. The exceptional service provided by the staff at the Lodge at Sea Island has consistently impressed travelers. From the moment of arrival, guests are greeted with warmth and genuine Southern hospitality. Number 22. St. Regis Florence, Florence, Italy. On the 22nd spot is St. Regis Florence, which has captivated travelers with its timeless elegance and impeccable service. Housed in a stunning historic palace, the hotel seamlessly blends Renaissance charm with modern luxury, creating an unforgettable experience for guests. Travelers have been enthralled by the hotel's lavish and exquisitely designed rooms and suites. With meticulous attention to detail, the accommodations feature opulent furnishings, beautiful artwork, and luxurious amenities. Guests can indulge in spacious marble bathrooms, plush bedding, and panoramic views of the city, creating a sense of true indulgence and relaxation. One aspect that consistently stands out to travelers is the exceptional service provided by the staff at St. Regis Florence. From the moment of arrival, guests are greeted with warmth and genuine hospitality. Number 21. The Ritz-Carlton, Kyoto, Kyoto, Japan. The Ritz-Carlton, Kyoto, has left travelers spellbound with its blend of traditional Japanese aesthetics and world-class luxury. Situated along the tranquil Kamogawa River, the hotel offers a serene oasis in the heart of the city, allowing guests to immerse themselves in Kyoto's rich cultural heritage. Travelers have been captivated by the hotel's elegant and meticulously designed rooms and suites. Drawing inspiration from Japanese design principles, the accommodations feature a harmonious fusion of modern comforts and traditional elements. From the sliding shoji screens to the tranquil views of the gardens or river, every detail has been carefully crafted to create a serene and authentic atmosphere. The level of service at the Ritz-Carlton, Kyoto has been consistently praised by travelers. The attentive and gracious staff exudes renowned Japanese hospitality, providing personalized and intuitive service to ensure a memorable stay. Number 20. Shangri-La Hotel, Sydney, Sydney, Australia. The Shangri-La Hotel has garnered rave reviews from travelers for its breathtaking views, luxurious accommodations, and exceptional service. Situated near the iconic Sydney Opera House and overlooking the stunning Sydney Harbour, the hotel offers a prime location from which to explore the city's vibrant culture and attractions. Travelers have been captivated by the hotel's spacious and beautifully appointed rooms and suites, many of which offer panoramic views of Sydney's famous landmarks. The elegant and contemporary decor creates a sense of tranquility and sophistication, while the plush furnishings and upscale amenities ensure a comfortable and indulgent stay. Guests have also consistently praised the attentive and friendly service provided by the staff at the Shangri-La Hotel, Sydney. One of the hotel's highlights is its incredible dining options. Guests can savor delectable cuisine while enjoying stunning views of the Sydney Harbour Bridge and the sparkling city skyline. Until next time, safe travels.